Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today video title is guys how to off dial pad tone in a Realme phone. Guys, you want to off this dial pad tone guys, you don't like it, this dial pad tone guys, so you want to off it, so you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off this dial pad tone in a Realme phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So friends, now let's see how to off dial pad tone. Then first of all, open your phone setting to off this dial pad tone and guys scroll. Guys, you can see your sound and vibration settings, so guys tap here and guys again scroll it. Guys, you can see your more sound and haptics, so guys tap here. Guys, first guys you can see your dial pad tone, so we will off from here. Guys, this blue icon guys, tap here to off it. And guys, you can see guys your dial pad tone will not work. Guys, you can see dial pad tone is off. So I hope friends you have understood how to off dial pad tone in a Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.